Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this iClever
or Clever
kids Bluetooth headphones. This is for playtime, for stereo sound. It says foldable, adjustable headband children's headphones for iPad, tablet, school, or for school tablets. So this is wireless because you will just connect it to your Bluetooth. It's for 3 years old and above, 3 years old and above. And then the volume is limited up to 94 decibel. Here's the specification here. The speaker battery type, it's lithium ion polymer, frequency band 240222 for 80 megahertz, and then frequency response. Input is 5 volts and more. So let's open it. The color of this is green. It's in a bag and it's folded. It's foldable, so you can just open it, unfold it. For it's adjustable, so if this is for kids, you just have to push down both sides. There you go. Alright, so what's in the box? We have the Bluetooth headphones, we have the cords, charging cables, and the manual, user manual. This one here, that's the power on and off. And then this one is for the volume. This is volume up and volume down. And this one here, there's pause, stop, and there's a phone. So this is multifunction button. In the bottom, there's the LED indicator light. And this one is for the micro USB charging port. So if you can use, I think this one, the other one, yeah. This one here, let me open it. Yep, this one is the micro USB. And this one here, it's yeah, this is for here. It says that this is an audio cable. Yeah, this one, this small hole here is for microphone. Yep, it's beautiful, and you just have to be very careful of this because it's not thick, so careful not to have sharp object because this is kind of soft. It's soft, and I think it easily gets poked, and you will rip it off. Easily gets tear off. And the stitches, so tiny stitches, so the user should use it very carefully. All right. So the Bluetooth connection, or the distance of the Bluetooth connection, is 33 feet. So it says in the description before I order it, it says that you can bend it. Well, I'm afraid to bend it too hard because I don't want to break it. It's soft here, so it should be comfortable on your ear. Yep. So it should not be hard in your ear. The nice thing of this is it does not hurt your ear because you just have to put it on. It's not in your ear. It's unlike earpods. For some reason, my ears really hurt every time I use earpods. Yep. So this is very helpful for your kids, so their ears doesn't hurt. So as what I have said, the headband is soft, it's expandable, it's adjustable. There you go. And you can twist it, but I don't want to twist it. It says that the battery life for this playtime is 22 hours and Bluetooth is 22 hours. So up to 22 hours. But if you are going to use this, it's infinity, up to infinity. If you use wire, then you can use it all the time. But if you want to use the Bluetooth, just up to 22 hours. 2 hours. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. This is iClever Bluetooth headphones. Check this on Amazon.
Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.